Let's draw something. Let's draw something. Look at my picture. Look at my picture. Let's clean up together. Let's clean up together. Time to take a bath. Time to take a bath. We are going on a trip. We are going on a trip. Wake up, sleepyhead. Wake up, sleepyhead. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Time to comb my hair. Time to comb my hair. Let's make my bed. Let's make my bed. Can I play now? Can I play now? Let's read a book. Let's read a book. Time to eat lunch. Time to eat lunch. Be kind to others. Be kind to others. Share your food. Share your food. Say bye to your mommy. Say bye to your mommy. Tidy up your room. Tidy up your room. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. It's playtime. It's playtime. Be a good friend. Be a good friend. Let's say our prayers. Let's say our prayers.